My goodness, Emma Elephant. What do you want to teach us?
Danny moves some bread. Danny moves some bread.
It looks like a rhyme. It is. Thank you, Emma Elephant, for teaching us the long division rhyme. Danny moves some bread. Fantastic. Danny moves some bread. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Do you recognize that sound? It is something that you will find in all countries. It is a universal item. It is motor cars. Cars come in different colors as well as brands. Every car needs gas to take you to where you need to be. To protect our cars when filling up the gas station, we park under a canopy. Each car underneath the canopy needs to take turns to fill up with gas. Let's start with the car nearest to the petrol pump, the green car. The petrol pump is our divisor. Our divisor is the number 5. We are going to implement our long division rhyme for each car that needs gas. 5 divided by 5 will be 1. Write your answer at the top of the canopy above the green car. 1 multiplied by 5 equals 5. Subtract the bottom 5 from the top 5. The answer is 0. You can place a dot as a placeholder for the 0. The pink car needs to fill up with petrol. Bring down the number 5 to get it a bit closer to the petrol pump. Repeat your long division rhyme from start to finish. 5 divided by 5 equals. Write your answer on top of the canopy. 1. 1 multiplied by 5 will give you 5. Now you can subtract. The answer would be 0. Put a placeholder for the naught because naught doesn't have any value. Bring down. Start the process again. Write your answer on top of the canopy. 1. Now you're going to multiply. 5. Subtract. It will be naught. Just make a dot. There is no gas left in this gas station. Let's tell the people. So you write down the remainder, and the remainder is 0. Write down remainder and your answer, which is 0, at the top of the canopy on the right. So 555 divided by 5 equals 111 with a remainder of naught, 0. Time to visit the next country. I can almost smell the fresh bread and hear the accordions. What is the name of this tower? Do you know? Correct. It is the Eiffel Tower in the capital city of France, Paris. Meet Vivienne. She is a very friendly French lady.
Danny moves some bread. Danny moves some bread.
Danny déplace du pain.
Thank you, Vivienne, for translating your French division rhyme into English. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. There is the canopy at the petrol station. 3 cars are waiting to fill up their tanks with petrol. 3 is the divisor. The dividend is number 395. Remember, each car must take a turn to fill up at the pump. Start with the green one, closest to the petrol pump. The green car. Danny, divide. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 multiplied by 3 will give me 3. Subtract 0. Bring down the next pink car to get it closer to the petrol pump. Repeat your long division rhyme. Always merge the number that you bring down with the number of your previous answer when you subtract it. 9 divided by 3 will give me 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Now you can subtract. Naught. Bring down the yellow car, number 5. Start with the Danny, the divide, from the beginning of your long division rhyme. Remember to merge your answers. 5 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 or multiply will give you 3. Subtract 5 minus 3 will give me 2. Can you see the difference between this sum and the previous one? Now you have 2 liters left in the pump of the gas station. That is your remainder. Write it down at the top of the canopy on the right hand side. Remainder 2. Ready to visit another country? This is Australia. Repeat the long division rhyme with the 4 bouncy kangaroos. Danny moves some bread. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Park the 3 cars under the canopy to protect them against the scorching sun. Each car has to make a turn at the gas station regularly. The divisor of this long division sum is the number 7. The green car will be the first to pour in some petrol. Start with your long division rhyme. 8 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 or 1 multiplied by 7 will give me 7. Subtract 8. Subtract 7. 1. Bring down the next car or the next number 1. Now you must remember to merge your numbers. So it would be 11. Start your long division rhyme step by step all over again. 11 divided by 7 is 1. 1 multiplied by 7 will give us 7. Subtract 11 subtract by 7 is 4. Bring down. Start all over again with your steps. Remember to merge your numbers. So it's going to be 49. 49 divided by 7 will give me 7. 7 multiplied by 7 will give me the answer of 49. Subtract the numbers. That answer is going to be your remainder. There's nothing left in this petrol station. Too hot to handle? Let's go to icy Iceland to meet Eric the Eskimo. Eric the Eskimo wants to share something with us.
I also know the long division rhyme. Danny for divide. Moves, multiply. Sum for subtract. And the last one, braid for bring down. In Iceland, we have to put our cars under a canopy the whole year long to protect our cars against the freezing cold weather. We also put on some special snow tires during the snowy season. Are you ready to put on your snow tires and help me with this long division sum?
Of course we are, Eric. Let's start. We'll start with the first step. Divide. The answer would be nothing. 0 multiplied by 4 also gives me nothing. 0. 1 subtract 0 gives me the answer 1. Bring down. Remember to merge your numbers. 14 divided by 4 will give me 3. 3 times 4, 12. Subtract. The answer would be 2. Bring down your next number. Merge it with the previous answer. 27 divided by 4 equals 6. Multiply by 4 will give me the answer of 24. Subtract. Three. There are 3 liters left at this gas station, so my remainder is 3. Thank you, Eric, for being so kind. But the weather is getting quite nippy. We'll rather go to a city, the Big Apple. We have an appointment with a very important businessman.
Good day, children. I just want to share with you something very unique. It is called the long division rhyme. Do you know that? Let me hear. Oh, you know the long division rhyme. Danny moves some bread. Good for you. Let's try it out.
A long division sum looks like this if you write it down in your workbook. Always keep in mind that each car has to visit the gas station to fill up with petrol. Write down the following numbers in your own workbook so that you can try to do your own long division sum using the long division rhyme. 962 divided by 8. Start with the green car. Your answer would be 1. Multiply. 8. Subtract. 1. Bring down. And merge your numbers. Start from the top. Danny, divide. Moves, multiply. Subtract, sum. And the last step would be bring down, bread. Do it all over again. I wonder if there is going to be a remainder. Subtract to find out. The remainder is 2.
Thank you very much. You are very good at long division. Where are you going to go next?
丹尼做新面包。
Please help us to understand what you've just said in Chinese.
Of course I will. It is just a long division rhyme. Danny moves some bread. Danny moves some bread.
Isn't it just fantastic that our very own long division rhyme is so famous? People in China loves this long division rhyme. Let's try it out on paper. This time you're going to park 4 cars underneath the canopy. Do you see that? But it stays simple. You just take turns for each car to go to the petrol station. Are you ready to start with number 2? The one closest to the petrol pump. Do your first step. Divide. Multiply. Write down your answer. Subtract. Bring down the next car. Merge your numbers. 25. Divide. Multiply. Subtract. Bring down your next car, number 9. Merge your numbers. Start again. Divide. Multiply. Subtract. And now you bring down the last car underneath the canopy, number 6. Merge your numbers and start all over again. Divide. Multiply. subtract, and that will be your remainder. I wonder if you can help a pretty fairy doing the last long division sum. Maybe the fairy does not know the long division rhyme. Are you ready to try it on your own? Thank you for traveling with me through different countries. If you wish to learn more, please subscribe to our channel today. Hope you had fun learning with us. See you soon.